Hey everyone, I'm so excited to bring you today mug bread. So it's bread made in a mug and a microwave. One of our Healthy for Life patients actually turned me on to it through a website called Headbanger's Kitchen. It's amazing, quick and easy recipe using almond flour rather than wheat flour. So it is low carb. I'm going to just demonstrate to you how quick and easy it is by mixing the ingredients here in front of you, okay? So in the mug, we're going to put the almond flour, the baking powder, stevia, a little pinch of salt, and then the egg. We're going to just mix it all together with a fork. There we go. And now we'll put it in the microwave. Right, thank you so much for joining us. That was a quick and easy recipe for mug bread, a great substitute for bread. You can be very creative with this recipe. You can add in chocolate chips, nuts, maybe cinnamon to kind of make it like a coffee cake. You can use whipped cream cheese to put on the outside, so a lot of different ways to be creative. If you have your own recipes that you'd like to share, please, please, please send them our way. We'd love to feature them on our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Thanks again for joining us today. Hope you have a wonderful week and be healthy for life.